Neil in Music Tech with a tip that Dan showed me that I thought I'd pass on because I thought it was amazing. And I'm in ILearn and I'm in my class and I'm in my documents section, and you can see I've uploaded a bunch of different PowerPoints and readings and things for them to work on and stuff, but it's organized poorly, and you can see I've even tried numbering things which work on kind of my computer but aren't working so much in ILearn, and I thought, Dan, there's got to be a better way, and he showed me a great little tip and I want to share it with you. So he's helped me organize this with labels, and you can see here are your week 1 resources, and now I can move the article here. So if I want to move something I've uploaded, for instance these readings, I can click and it'll move here. Wherever you click, it will move above that. So I'm going to click here, and there my readings are in week 1, and then you scroll down, here are your week 2 resources, so I can put the next article there. This is great. So let me show you how he did it. It's super simple. It's just kind of hiding from me. We're going to go to create learning activity, and there's all these quizzes and stuff which I use a ton of, but in the resources what we want is label, and that's all that is. It creates just a blank label. So I'm going to add a horizontal line, which will add a page break there, and then add, I think I'm in week 5, here are your week 5 resources, and I'll hit save. That's it. So now go back into documents, and it probably made it at the bottom of the page. It did. So I'm going to click move, and then again wherever you click it's going to click above that, and I'm at week 4, so I don't want to move here, I want to move here, and now there's week 5, and I'll be able to organize all my files. Again, I'll move one, so this was the PowerPoint from day 1, and I will move, and wherever you click it'll move above that, so I'm going to move here, and now this is all in here, and I can play with that placement, but that's fine because I can see everything for week 1. I think that's a great tip, and I hope you do too.